Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So you have probably heard a lot of things about Vinted, selling, buying, and you want to go and try it. So you have no idea how to create an account, how to go through it. So in today's small tutorial, I'll make sure to show you all of them steps needed so you can create an account on Vinted, the platform. So fast and easy as usual, let's get started. First and first, you can use your app, you can use the website, it's totally doable, whatever you actually want. If you are on Android or iOS, it's totally fine to go to basically Google Play Store or App Store to download the actual app. After this, all we're gonna do is come, basically tap on Vinted.com, come to this area of basically the main website, tap on sign up and log in, then tap on either continue with Apple, Facebook, or even Google. You can even log in with email. All you're gonna do is sign in with email. All you're gonna do is select your own email address and password, then tap on login or sign in, or even sign up if it's your first time, as I always tell you. After this, they're gonna take you to a new page to confirm your email address. They're gonna send you a small email. Make sure you receive it, tap on the link, then activate the account. After this, you will be able to buy, sell, use your account generally for multiple purposes. Basically, when you are logged in, you can use the search for items, tap for anything like Nike here, and go through the product section, select what you want. You can tap this heart button, you can save it, whatsoever. So that's it. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.